This may be the last ride on this elevator because this thing is going to be replaced at some point. We are back at the beautiful Hotel Cornell de France. I'm going to take a ride. Does not work in the basement. Go to 6. Go back down to 1. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS. The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.